Let's learn some kid-friendly list of farm animals and their babies. Cow. Baby cows are called calves. Pig. Baby pig is called piglet. Tiny piglets love to play in mud. Sheep. Baby sheep is called lamb. Soft, fluffy lambs follow their mothers. Chickens. Baby chickens are called chicks. Duck. Baby duck is called duckling. Ducklings follow their mother in a line. Rabbit. Baby rabbits are called kits. Goat. Baby goats are called kids and love to jump. Horse. Baby horses are called foals. Camel. Baby camels are also called calves. Turkey. Baby turkeys are called poults. Thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe for more videos.